No need to worry about how to invest that little money that you are having, because in today's video I'm going to show you 3 mobile apps that you can download right after watching this video and start investing into the US stock, the Hong Kong stock, or the Chinese stock market. I'm not gonna waste your time, but none of these apps have sponsored this video. Make sure you do your own research before you take any action. Consider this video to be an educative video, so you are responsible for any action that you take. Now, how can you invest the little money that you are having if you are in Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, Africa, worldwide, without you going to that company? All right, for we to make more money, for we to gain financial freedom, I think one of the legit way to do is to invest into rental properties. I mean real estate, buy dividend stocks, invest into mutual funds, ETFs. So how can you do all these things? I'm going to give you 3 mobile apps that you can use to do that. I will not talk much about these mobile apps because I have a lot of videos that I take you through step by step. I'm going to make this video simple. So the very first app on my list is Achieve by Petra app. All right, the Achieve app is giving you the opportunity to invest if you are a low risk tolerant, moderate risk tolerant, or a high risk tolerant person. All you have to do is to download this app from the link in the description box. Use the referral name that will pop up on the screen. Sign up and verify your account. After that, deposit that money. You can use the DigiSave account. With the DigiSave account, it's a low risk savings account. So when you deposit your money here and leave it for a longer period, you'll be making more interest compared to you just saving that money on your Momo wallet or putting that money at the bank. Why I will not advise you to save your money at the bank? Then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. If you want to know the secret that your bank don't want you to know, watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. Another thing that you can do with the Achieve Investment app is to use the Eurobond Trust. All right, it's a moderate risk investment for anybody who want to take a little bit risk. So no matter who you are, you can invest using the Achieve Investment app. And the third way to make money using the Achieve Investment app is investing into them global tech. I mean Tesla, Google, Apple, Amazon. These are the global tech industry. So if you want to take higher risk, like if you are a high risk tolerant person, then you can put your money there. And guys, trust me, you'll be making a lot of money through investment. So download the Achieve Investment app from the link in the description box and start investing. All right, if you are in Ghana. Now the next app that I'm going to tell you is going to give us the opportunity, the ease of access to invest into the US stock market without we going there directly. So this app is what is called a Bamboo Investment app. Bamboo Investment app has been one of the legit trusted app to invest your money into the US stock market. They have not sponsored this video, so make sure you do your research before you take any action. With the Bamboo Investment app, you can invest into the US stock market, buy Apple shares, Amazon shares, Tesla, Facebook. Think of any big company in the US. You can also become a part owner of that company, and you'll be making money through dividends and capital appreciation. And with the Bamboo Investment app too, you can also invest into REIT, which will give you access to real estate. You don't have to own the physical properties before you can start real estate. There is a lot of companies that puts money from we the investors and invest the money into real estate. So when you invest into REIT, you have gained access to what? Real estate, and you can also make money from the real estate industry. It's super simple. And with the Bamboo Investment app, you can also buy ETFs. Think of bond ETFs, stock ETF, real estate, I mean rates. Any ETF that you want to invest, you can also use the Bamboo Investment app to do this. But if you want to extend, I mean We don't know what will happen in the future, so diversification is the key to any successful investment. All right, so if you want to make more money, then the best thing is to diversify your portfolio, right? So we want to invest beyond the US stock market. That's why the next app on the list, which is the Mumu investment app, is giving me access to the US stock market, in addition to what Hong Kong stock market and the Chinese stock market. So we can invest globally using the Mumu trading app. The Mumu trading app also gives you opportunity to invest into options, and even you can use the platform to do self-analysis, all right, before you can take any trade that you want. And one thing I also like about this Mumu investment app is that when you make a certain amount of deposit, they will give you free stocks. You heard me, free stocks. So you can sell these free stocks and withdraw the money, or you can add them up to your portfolio and be making a lot of money. These are the three apps that if you are watching me, if you're in Ghana, then you can use the Achieve Investment app, the Bamboo, the Mumu, wherever that you are outside Ghana. When you take the Achieve Investment app, you can use any of the two, I mean the Mumu or the Bamboo Investment app, and you'll be making more money. Until then, give the video a like, watch the next video that will pop up on the screen, how you can make more money from the stock market without wasting much of your time. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a